Hey, Rainbow here, welcome to my channel, and today I have out the tire gauge because we're going to talk about my experience so far with the Michelin Road 6s on a Ducati multistrada V4 Pikes Peak after 4,500 miles. Let's take a peek. All right, you're looking at the rear wheel here, the rear tire for the Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. And this, of course, is the Michelin Road 6. This is a 190/55 ZR17 by Michelin. And 4,500 miles later, one trip across basically from Miami to Austin, Texas and back. And this is what it looks like. I did put the gauge on here. I have about 730 seconds or about 5 millimeters of wear left. If you take a look towards the top, you could see that it's starting to flatten out a little bit, but actually not bad by Florida standards. All right. Now, I don't take it easy on this bike, and I take things a little hard. I brake hard. I do, I'll admit, occasionally I do a couple of wheelies and so on and so forth. So this tire, this Michelin Road 6, after 4,500 miles, is really holding up extremely well, and I'm very happy with this tire so far. Now, the first, 200 miles I put on it, we're just kind of getting it scrubbed in. And then when it was relatively new, with just a couple hundred miles on it, is when I started my trip across country. And the first 200 miles with this tire, I was in rain and downpours for 200 miles straight, and I was doing 70 to 80 miles an hour on the highway without any issues. I felt very comfortable, very safe. So as far as rain is concerned, the rain, it's awesome. Now, I haven't pushed it. I haven't taken this tire to the track. If there's anything left to it, I may come this September or maybe October when things cool down a little bit up in Jennings, just to see what it feels like. I have taken off some off-ramps and some other areas. I have not slid on this tire. I've had some pretty significant lean angle on this without sliding, but that wasn't really pushing the tire super heavy on the side of the bike. So this is the rear tire, 4,500 miles. This is what I have. Let's take a look at the front. All right, now you're looking at the front tire, and I have, instead of having 5 millimeters or 730 seconds, I have closer to 830 seconds on this and somewhere between 5 and 6 millimeters on the gauge. So this is the front tire after 4,500 miles. It seems to be wearing pretty decent, really no flat spotting on this. And one thing that I find interesting, it's been a while since I've had this not happen, I'm not finding any cupping at all on this tire. So I'm rather impressed so far. I don't want to jinx myself, but right now, so far, no cupping. Again, a lot of wear here left. There's not much wear. There's a lot of tread left on this particular tire. And this is the Michelin Road 6 on a Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak with 4,500 miles on it. Hey, it's hot here, so I'm all sweaty. I just want to thank everyone for stopping by on this channel, watching these videos. I really appreciate it. It's been growing significantly, and it makes me happy. It gives me something to do outside of work, and I really appreciate it. And even today, I was down at the dealer doing a video for a review, and there's a guy that came in today from Guatemala, and he happens to be visiting Miami, and he just recognized me, wanted his picture taken with me, which is still kind of blowing me away. But anyway, if you like this kind of stuff, please like, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. I'm just trying to be honest and open. And just so you know, a manufacturer reached out to me recently that makes some clothing and some other gear for motorcycles specifically, but they wanted me to script what I was saying, and that's not who I am. They were gonna pay me $100 every month to do certain thing, one video. And that's not what I want to do. It's not who I am. I'd rather buy something or have somebody send me something and me being able to be honest about it rather than have something scripted. Because if I don't like it, I'm going to tell you, it's my opinion. But the bottom line is, I appreciate everyone being here. Thank you very much. This is Rainbow. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you. and have a good day. Bye-bye.